Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review the Business Retention and Expansion BR&E database from the University of Minnesota Extension Center for Community Vitality. My name is Nick, and I'm a graduate student research assistant with the BR&E program. This database represents aggregated data that have been collected over 25 years and represent the responses of over 2,000 businesses to the BR&E survey. Using these data, the communities can compare their survey responses with other BR&E participating communities, and individuals interested in economic development can take a look at some of the results from the University of Minnesota's Business Retention and Expansion surveys. Let's look at this website quickly. First, the benchmarking webpage, which you see here, contains information about the motivation behind the project and tips for first use. If you scroll to the bottom, as you already have to find this video, you will find 2 PDFs and 2 Excel files necessary for the benchmarking tools. I'll talk about them one by one. I'll open the User's Guide and User's Guide Summary here, but the benchmarking file will be open in a subsequent video. The User's Guide, which is the first link here, is a PDF that assumes little previous knowledge of Microsoft Excel and Excel tables. It will walk readers through, step by step, how to read and interpret data in the database. This file can be downloaded or viewed in any browser. You can get a sense of the information contained within as I scroll through this file. The most pertinent information begins with filters on page 5, which is here, but all is worth reading if you have little experience using the table feature of Microsoft Excel. Going back to the BR&E website, the next document, the User's Guide Summary, here, seeks to offer only methodology and interpretation assistance. It assumes proficiency with Excel tables. As I scroll through, you can see that it's much shorter than the full User's Guide. It may be beneficial to read this first and then consult the longer document as you need. The final 2 videos, Tier A data and Tier B data, contain community data from BR&E surveys. The distinction between Tier A and Tier B was determined by University Extension staff and merely designate data as more and less pertinent to economic and community development, mostly how they achieve the aims of the BR&E program. Your uses and interests may be different. Thanks for taking the time to review this introductory material. The subsequent videos will show the benchmarking process in action and are a supplement to the written documentation.